Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can compound your weekly earnings provided by Novatech. So you're going to log into your dashboard here and you're going to scroll down below and you're going to see a chart here that will show your bonus account earnings for the week. So this means this is the ROI that I have earned for the week based on my account. So what we want to do to compound our profits is we want to take this amount and add it back into our trading account. So what I like to do is first copy the whole number. All right, keep in mind that when you are compounding profits, it only takes the whole dollar. It does not take in the cents. That's just the way the system is. So I'm just going to copy the whole dollar amount. I'm going to come here to funding and we're going to click on upgrade account. From here, you're going to see your personal information. I'm going to paste in the amount that I just copied of $12,515 and I'm going to click add funds. And you'll notice that that information has now been updated here in the order review. But what we need to do now is type in our PIN number. Okay, make sure that if we are compounding our weekly profits that you have it on e-wallet, not coin payments. Okay, you're going to apply the PIN number that you had created when you set up your account and you're going to click apply. And it's going to confirm the bonus account value of $12,515 or whatever amount you have. And again, we're only putting in the whole dollar amount. It does not take in the cents. Review all the information, click on the terms and conditions, and we're going to click validate. It's going to give us a button here to upgrade account now. We're going to click on that, and we're going to confirm that all the information is correct. You're going to get a notification and an order form that will also be emailed to the email that you have attached here within your Novatech account, so that way you can keep this for your records. But this is just a way that you can confirm and hold onto your records regarding that you have updated your account with new funds. Now, if we go back to the main back office, scroll down, and you will see that your trading account has now been upgraded to the new balance with the new funds that we have just added. And that's it. That is how you compound your weekly profits.